Have you ever felt like life is moving too slowly, like your dreams are taking forever to come true? Stay with me, because today's story will show you how patience can turn small efforts into life-changing results. And while you enjoy the story, you'll also learn new English words to make your speaking stronger. In a small American town, there was a young man who worked long hours at a factory, but deep down, he dreamed of becoming a carpenter. He loved the smell of wood, the sound of tools, and the idea of creating something lasting. One evening, he passed by an old park bench. It was broken, covered in scratches, and most people just ignored it. But he stopped, touched the wood, and whispered, "I can fix this." Every day after work, instead of rushing home, the young man stayed at the park. Slowly, he began sanding the wood, replacing broken planks, and painting the frame. People laughed at him. "Why waste time on an old bench?" they said. But he smiled and kept working. Weeks passed, and finally, the bench looked brand new. The townspeople were amazed. Soon, more neighbors asked him to repair their furniture. Without realizing it, his patience had turned into a career. He became the most trusted carpenter in town. Vocabulary: patience, meaning staying calm while waiting. Example: with patience, the young man restored the bench. Ignore, meaning to pay no attention. Example: most people ignored the broken bench. Effort, meaning hard work to achieve something. Example: his effort made the bench beautiful again. Trusted, meaning someone others believe in. Example: he became a trusted carpenter. Life lesson: patience is not about waiting. It's about what you do while you wait. The young man could have complained about his life, but instead, he used his time to create something meaningful. Remember, in your own life, even small steps, taken patiently, can open doors you never imagined. Did this story inspire you? If yes, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning stories that improve both your language skills and your life.